You can add your certification to LinkedIn. To do this, we go to your profile. So we click on your profile image, view profile. And here you see the add profile section. And this is where we're going to add a additional piece of information. On recommended, we find add licenses and certifications. And here you type in your certification. Here we type in SimUcell Academic Publishing, the date, the year it was issued, and in the credential URL you copy the URL that was given to you by your instructor or through an email with the unique code that has your certificate associated with it. And then we press save, and that is it. And now when you scroll down on your profile, you will see that below your education, it shows licenses and certification. And when people click on show credential, they will see your certificate.